guys, today's April 15th. It's a Wednesday. This is today's science lesson. We want you to start off today by taking quiz number 11 on the desert that we read about the other day. Go ahead and take that quiz. When you're done with it, you can email it to us. You can hold on to it to the drop-off pickup day. We don't mind if you take a break. Take your quiz. Go ahead and take a little brain break. Do a go noodle. Do some jumping jacks, some push-ups. Go dance around your house real quickly, and then come back to science. It's always okay to take a quiz or a test and then take a brain break. We do it in class, we do brain breaks, or sometimes we ARP read, or we mix it up with GG or IXL or PowerPoint. So if you need to take a brain break, and especially when you're taking quizzes and tests, that's perfectly okay. So after you take your brain break, if you decide to, go ahead and read pages 90 to 95. That will be chapter 6, Exploring the Ocean. I've always found this chapter really fascinating because the ocean is just so beautiful and so powerful like God. And there's just a lot of things about the ocean that are unknown, and there's a section in here. It's a really cool little statement. Let me find it. It's on page 94 under Why is the Ocean So Salty? It says scientists do not know exactly how the ocean became so salty. Christian men of science believe that God created it this way. So sometimes it's just, that's how God created it. There's no human explanation for why it's like this. It's how God designed it. It's how God designed each one of us. He made us all unique and different and special, and the ocean is like that as well. So make sure as you're reading, go ahead and do the comprehension check. The comprehension check wants to know what kind of minerals you can find in the ocean. And then on page 95, it talks about the ocean's energy, and this has to do with waves, tidal waves, and how earthquakes and tsunamis can play into the ocean as well. Once you've read up to 95, there are certain slides in the PowerPoint that you can review, and there's certain sections on the study guide that you can review as well. We'll go ahead and do the PowerPoint together. It says, what is the study of the ocean called? After you do that, you'll see it's called oceanography. Who are the scientists who study the ocean? And that is oceanographers. So as long as you don't get those two mixed up, they're pretty easy to remember. And what are the tiny floating plants and animals of the sea called? Plankton. We've learned about the mighty plankton before. And as we continue to read into this chapter, it says to blank is to break tiny pieces and become part of a liquid. And that is when something can dissolve. So I always think of when I take like a Kool-Aid packet and I put it into the water and the particles from it start to dissolve. So that might be an easy way for you to remember dissolve. So go ahead and read pages 90 through 95, review the PowerPoint or the study guide, the sections that have to do with the ocean. Go ahead and submit quiz 11 to us. And we hope that you're having a blessed day, guys. Love you.